To change wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we need to simply go to the Wallpaper and Style. Then in here we can tap on Change Wallpapers. And of course, you should be able to find a couple of different example wallpapers that you can use pretty easily. You just have to tap on them to select them. You can also go to Get More Wallpapers to find some other additional options from the Galaxy Store. In my case, I'm gonna go to Recent in order to choose a custom image from my gallery. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one. We're gonna tap on Done. Then we can we can decide if you want to set it for the lock screen or home screen or both. If you want to exclude something, of course, you can tap on this check in the circle and go next. Now we can adjust the wallpaper, so we can move up and down. We can adjust the zoom as well pretty easily. There we go. At the bottom, we have some additional effects that you can use. At the bottom of the lock screen over here, we have the home button, so you can switch the preview to the home screen. And once you are done with the customization, we're gonna tap on a Done in the upper right corner. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.